Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make creamy frozen lemonade. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of ice. We're going to need 5 lemons and also 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to get our lemons and cut them into half, and we're going to juice them. We need 1 cup of lemon juice. Now you want to get a measuring cup. I'm going to place a sieve over top. I'm going to pour my lemon juice in so it will catch all pulp. Okay guys, we have our cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I opened up my sweetened condensed milk, and now we're going to go ahead and get our blender. Okay guys, to my blender I added my 4 cups of ice. Now I'm going to pour in my lemon juice and also my can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay guys, now we're going to blend it on high until it's nice and creamy and smooth. Okay guys, now it's ready to pour into our cups. Okay guys, so here we have it, our creamy frozen lemonade. It's a nice refreshing drink for the summer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.